Might be a little bit better perspective from up here. A little bit of snow. Yeah. Just a little bit. Good morning, Modern Steaders. We're gonna have some fun this morning. We got about a foot of snow last night. Now we get to clean up from it. Let's go. Now if you can see Figaro in this clip, leave it in the comments down below. He keeps popping in and out. I think I know where he is, but I don't know if you can see him on camera. I wanted to thank all the Modern Steaders for helping us reach 20,000 subscribers. In yesterday's video, we announced the winner for the automatic chicken plucker and the 2 people who are winning a Lumna Acres t-shirt. If you haven't seen that video, I'm going to put a link to that video right here. You need to go watch it to find out if you're one of the lucky winners. If you want to win your prize, you got to contact us and let us know what you want, what size, what your address is, where we're shipping your plucker to, all that sort of good stuff. And you have 3 days. So today is Saturday, so you have until Monday to contact us. So 3 days from yesterday. It's only the beginning of February, and I think we've gotten enough snow this winter already. I think we're in for a long winter. I keep my shovels in the back of my truck. My chain, I was able to use that yesterday at work. We got a delivery of windows and the truck driver got stuck. So luckily I had the chain and we were able to pull him out. This driveway is pretty easy. There's not much shoveling to do down here. The upper one, we got to shovel out a few spots. It'd be nice to have the Kubota when that is up and running. We're gonna have to push back all the snow banks at the end of our driveway and at the side of the road, so that way we can keep the road more open. When I get the Kubota up and running, we'll do a video on that, and I'll explain to you why we got to do it. And that's after already plowing more than double that amount last night. Crazy. I was hoping to have the Kubota running so I could do all this part with the Kubota and not my shovel. Now we have a backup heat source of propane, so we need to always make sure that our exhaust is open. So far so good. Better make sure we can keep getting to the chickens. Look at all that snow. I'm gonna wait to shovel out in front of the outdoor kitchen till the tractor's going, because we need to get this pile stacked up higher. Look at all that snow. Ready? That's up past my knees, almost to the middle of my thigh. Let's see if we can. Yeah, we gotta stop moving this snowbank higher so we can gain more access to the outdoor kitchen. And I need to move the weather station. I'm hoping I can do that tomorrow. I have an idea for it. And I'm thinking it'll work out pretty slick. Alright, we got the plowing all done. Now we gotta get to work. Ready to go. Clear it out, make it so we can get to the pigs easily. Hi-ho, hi-ho, it's off to work we go. Sure can be a lot of work, but boy is it beautiful. Gonna need a snow shovel too. Whew. Who needs a gym membership? Good morning, girls. What do you think of all this snow, huh? There's a lot of it. There's so much snow, we can't get the gate open. Now, if you're thinking this homesteading stuff is easy work, it's not, but it's fun. It's like playing. They have it like beach sand in here. We have so much snow, you can't even see the pig electric fence. It's buried, both lines. Now we got so much ice. That's a good workout. I'm going in the house for now. Go take a nap. Yeah. Sit by the fire. Drink some coffee. No! We got more work we gotta do, but this is where we're gonna end today's video. Now is a great time to subscribe to the channel if you already haven't. While you're down there, ring the bell, and fingers crossed, if you ring the bell, YouTube will send you notifications of every time we go live, upload a video, or post something to our community tab. They're not very good with that lately. If you don't ring the bell, you're not going to get notified. If you want to stay up to date with Lumnah Acres, go on over to our website, lumnahacres.com. There'll be a link down in the description below and at the end of the video. Read the blog, sign up for our newsletter. That's the best way to stay connected with us. I'm going to go inside, get a drink of water, and we'll see you right back here. That's another thing. If you're not getting our videos notification, don't worry about it. We post every day at 6 a.m. You can count on us. You might not be able to count on YouTube to let you know, but you can count on that we're going to have a video uploaded every day at 6 a.m. So we'll see you back here tomorrow morning at Lumnah Acres, a guide to modern homesteading, self-sufficiency, and freedom. How's that ice? Huh? You like that ice? What? What?